ALORAIR Storm LGR Extreme 180 ppd Commercial Dehumidifier is designed specifically for flood restoration. This is a very compact dehumidifier ever produced for dehumidification restoration for easy transport and energy saving. Its stackable design can not only save flood restorer more space but also make numbers of the machine bin transported to the destination for after flood restoration tasks. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. App control and dry anywhere. Monitor the restoration process on the go. Our free AlorAir DryEasy mobile app is included with the unit upon purchase. Commercial Dehumidifier, moisture removal capacity 180 ppd at saturation condition and 85 pint at AHAM only with 5.62A. Super efficient system, fits into small spaces, secure, compact stacking, transport multiple units on a hand truck. Number 2. 5 years warranty. Rugged polyethylene housing resists dents and scratches. We believe in quality and after-sales service. It is sure to last long and still keep its shape look. Number 3. Commercial, industrial, and personal use. Ideal for carpet cleaning, basements, cellars, laundries, deflooding, offices, laboratories, tradesmen, garages. Number 4. Design with humanized. Onboard storage for 19.6 feet power cord and 19.6 feet condensate hose. Convenient storage for the power cord and drain hose. MERV 8. App control, automatic digital humidistat control, memory starting, timer, automatic digital humidistat control. Industrial dehumidifier with condensate pump. Number 5. Memory starting, auto shut off. Comes back after a power failure, no need to turn on manually. The clear LCD display has no complicated function button, temperature, and humidity display at both inlet and outlet side. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long is the warranty? Answer. 5 years. 1 year for the whole unit, 3 years for the refrigeration system, and 5 years for the compressor. Question number 2. What is the difference between this dehumidifier and ALORAIR LGR compact dehumidifier auto shutoff with built-in pump, cell listed? Answer. The cheaper version of this unit doesn't have a Wi-Fi feature, this one does. Question number 3. Does it come with a drain hose? How long of it? Answer. Yes, it comes with a 19.6 feet long drain hose. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.